Alrighty people, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a $50 bonus in Bitcoin when you trade 100 with the Gemini app. There's nothing I can add on to it, it's pretty self-explanatory. The code's right here on screen, or you can go with the link down below. The code will also be right there so you can double check. Anyhow, let me show you guys a tad bit into it and what Gemini has to offer. Alright y'all, so once you guys get your account signed up, all you gotta do is go over here, connect your payment method, and put $100 and buy your coin of your choice. And then you should be receiving the reward in 1 to 30 days after you do it. It takes a while, sometimes it doesn't, but it will pop up right here. It does take a while to pop up, but it'll say right here, oh my god, you traded $100, your reward is processing. And other than that, they do have a $200 bonus with their credit card if you're eligible. Unfortunately, I'm not. They won't give me a credit card. Now they do also have a referral rewards tab. There's my link. That's another good thing about it. Their stake feature, to be honest, is not the best. The highest you can get is 2.47. I don't know why you would stake on Polygon when you get nothing. It makes no sense. But if you want to stake at 2.4% and you believe that's worth for you, and you can go ahead and do it on here. Other than that, if you do want your bonus faster, I recommend you linking up a debit card rather than your direct bank account, because I do believe the card fasters do go faster. Other than that, y'all, there's nothing else to say, but if you haven't signed up for Gemini, I recommend you do so. It's $50. You don't got to keep no money in there. Do it one time and then forget about this and take all the money out. Other than that, y'all, I'll see you another time.